A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels. How are you, my dear students? Must. And tell me one thing, have you started updating your notebooks? Okay, if you have any problem, you can call your Anjali ma'am, isn't it? My dear students, in last part, we have gone with the explanation of God is one. And in this part we will be doing reading practice of chapter 2, God is one. So are you ready, my dear students? Okay. So are my dear students ready with their textbook? Okay. My dear students, we have gone with page number 1. We have done the reading and as well as we have learned what was all about God is one. Now we will be moving to our next page. Okay. God is present everywhere. God is present everywhere. We all are children of God. आप मैं सभी we are children of God because God has created us. Suresh is a Hindu. I repeat, Suresh is a Hindu. Faizan is a Muslim. George is a Christian. Harkirat is a Sikh. But all are equally near and dear to God. No matter आप किसी भी रिलीजन के हैं, आपका कोई भी नाम हो, आपका कोई भी ड्रेसिंग सेंस हो, लेकिन कोई भी कास्ट हो, but we all are children of God. God equally love all of us. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi was a great devotee of God. Mahatma Gandhi was a great devotee of God. He wanted the followers of all religions to live together peacefully. He prayed for the welfare of all. आप जानते हैं महात्मा गांधी जिनको हम बापू कह के बुलाते हैं, he was a great devotee of God and he always pray for the welfare of all. सभी की खुशी के लिए वो हमेशा प्रे करते थे. वो चाहते थे हम सब खुशी सब साथ में मिलकर रहें. Okay, now we will sing along a small poem from chapter 2, that is God is one. God is one for everyone. God is one for everyone. The blue sky up above, the blue sky up above, a temple few steps ahead. God is one for everyone. The blue sky up above, a temple few steps ahead. The church bells ringing can be heard. The church bells ringing can be heard. A mosque nearby gives a call. A mosque nearby gives a call. If only we understand, if only we understand, then why do we hate each other? Then why do we hate each other? When God is there for everyone, when God is there for everyone, when God is one for everyone. So what did you learn? What was the moral of this chapter? जब God एक है तो हम सब भी एक हैं. Then there is no place for hatredness, यानी कि किसी को हेट नहीं करना है, रूड बिहेवियर नहीं करना है, क्योंकि हम सबको बनाने वाला एक है, गॉड एक है. तो हमें किसी से नफरत नहीं करनी है, बल्कि सब में प्यार बांटना है. ओके. So this was all from God is one. Okay, and you will be learning few lines of this poem. Now my learning section. I will give respect to everybody. I will give respect to everybody. आप सबको रिस्पेक्ट कभी देंगे? आप सबको, ऐसे बड़े लोग होते हैं आपके घर पे, एल्डर पीपल होते हैं, आप उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करते हो ना? आप उनके ब्लेसिंग भी लेते हो ना? वेरी गुड. व्हेन यू आर गुड देन ओनली यू रिस्पेक्ट ईच एंड एवरीबडी. आप ये नहीं देखोगे कि कोई छोटा है कि कोई बड़ा है. यू हैव टू गिव रिस्पेक्ट टू एवरीबडी. दिस इज द लर्निंग फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर. I will respect everything created by God. I will respect everything created by God. जिस जिसको गॉड ने क्रिएट किया है तो इट बिकम्स आवर ड्यूटी. हमारा ड्यूटी बनता है, हमारा फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि हम उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करें. ठीक है? Okay, so you will be doing new words and learning the 3-4 lines of this poem. So how was this chapter? आपने enjoy किया ना? Very good. In next part we will be going with the worksheet reading practice. So till then do take care of yourself. हंसते हुए, मुस्कुराते हुए. God bless you all. Have a nice day बच्चा.